So my Ring alarm system includes over 30 devices which are connected, but a lot of them are like this one. They don't need a battery change very often, but when they do, or when you need to check on it, then you need to know how to do that. So I'm going to run you through how to check the battery in the app and then how to replace it if it needs replacing. Clicking on the three bars in the upper left-hand corner of your screen will open up this where you can click on devices, and then you're going to click on your alarm base station. This is changed from the way the app used to be. And then you can open any device, such as this one, and look at its battery level. Now, if the battery level is full, green, then I trust it. But if it's come down at all, like this one, my side door, then I think it's time to change it. These are not as accurate as, say, what your phone tells you about its battery. So we're going to change this one before it actually goes dead. So to change it, you pull it off of its pad, 2 fingers, and that will reveal the batteries in the back. Now, I usually pry these out with something. I have a screwdriver here that you can probably get them out with just your fingernails, but this is easier, I believe. And then you're just going to pop 2 new ones in here. These are CO 2032s, I believe, off the top of my head. And then I just order these in packs from Amazon. I'll link to that below. I'm also going to link to how to reset this if it doesn't work here. But if you pop this back on like this, you're going to pop it on, then slide it into place. And then it should be set to go. So then open your app again to make sure that it connected the way that it should. And if it has not, then you may need to reset it. I'm going to link to that video here in terms of how to do that. But this one reset without any problem, just with new batteries. So once I opened it, it is all set to go. Battery level is full, and we had a successful battery change. Hey, thanks for watching this quick video. I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks.